Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Friday, 10th of October 2025, Nifty index opened positive and moved upwards for most part of the day. Global cues and domestic macro uncertainties made the index choppy, and it witnessed some consolidation during midday. It held on to the base of 25k marks and inched towards 25,200 zones towards the end. Now, it formed a bullish candle with long lower shadow, indicating buying is intact at the lower levels. India VIX was down by around 1.9% to 10.1 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.06. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,700 to 25,700 levels, while immediate range is in between 24,900 to 25,400. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were buyers to the tune of 1,308 crores, while DIIs were also buyers worth 943 crores. FIIs indexed long-short ratio slightly decreased to 7.5%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 25,100 for the next up move towards 25,350 and 25,450 levels, while supports can be seen at 25,000 and 24,900 levels. Bank Nifty has to hold above 56,000 for the next up move towards 56,750. Now, on the downside, support can be seen at 56,000 levels. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in MCX, Aurobindo Pharma, Hindustan Zinc, JSW Steel, Tata Steel and OFSS. While some weakness could be seen in PB Fintech, Havells, Axis Bank, RVNL, Petronet and Tata Motors. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.